Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Region channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 4070 Super Venom The Last Dance Edition graphics card. So friends, ZOTAC and Sony introduced the new RTX graphics card. And the new RTX 4070 Super graphics card designed in collaboration with Sony Pictures, and the card is inspired by the upcoming movie Venom The Last Dance, which is hitting Chinese tomorrow, and it's important to note that the card will not be available for sale. It's a promotional card that can only be obtained throughout a contest. We only found it mentioned in Chinese account, which led used to believe that the card will not be offered globally. And the card is based on the same design as the recently introduced Black Might Wukong card and featuring similar colors, and only the graphic card design with backplate graphics has changed. So friend, the card is equipped with custom design from the Venom The Last Dance and 2K ray tracing gaming experience and DLSS 3 frame generation, NRGB lighting and precious UV coating. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.